Walden, and I work for Oracle Netsuite, the world's leading cloud enterprise resource planning platform. I've been with Netsuite for 4.5 years, and I work across the partner teams and also with the team here in Israel. I never decline an invite to this country, this beautiful country, even if it means coming up on stage. So we work with startups and with scale-ups and the investment community, directly with the investment community. So that's PEs and VCs. We also work with a lot of TLAs, 2-letter acronyms and 3-letter acronyms. So I'm giving you an opportunity to play TLA bingo during my presentation. So there's your first two. So I want to highlight what investors expect from you as a business in terms of their systems and processes and why it matters. But first, our safe harbour statement, which legally I have to show, and basically says don't buy product based on anything that's in the content of this presentation. So we've done that safe harbour statement. So when you take funding for the first time, the game changes for you as a startup. It's significantly different, and the demands from investors are very new, and they will change the way that you function. Not all of these demands are welcome to you as a startup business. And this is true from very early stage funding right through to IPO, initial public offering, which is first TLA. So the demands just get greater, more onerous, and you really need the right systems and processes in place to address the demands from the investors, which become significantly more and more challenging. So here's some of the things they ask for. They want you to be more professional. Really important to be able to provide them with the information they want, when they want it, and in the format that they want it. This can be financials, it can be business plans, profit expectations, growth expectations. You can't just go on gut feel anymore. You're not working as a startup, you're funded, and guesswork won't cut it. You need to be a lot more professional. So they're looking obviously for scalability, for strong growth, not the status quo. They want you to be ready to scale, and quite rapidly if necessary. This might be adding new customers, it might be developing and launching new products or services, it might be taking on new employees. So your systems need to be able to address all those requirements, and you have to be ready to scale to meet the multiple increases that they want for your valuation. It's really important. Of course, you've got to be future-proof. So as a startup, you're doing a certain turnover. When you get funding, you're expected to grow. You're expected to go through another liquidity event, so that might be more rounds of funding. It might be a sale. It might be an MBO, management buyout. And you'll need to justify the valuation and be prepared to answer unexpected questions really quickly. You need the facts and figures at your fingertips. You need to have financial figures, non-financial figures for your investors. KPIs, metrics on cash burn, customer acquisition rates, customer churn, unit production costs, product failure rates, return rates. Everything is expected to be readily available. And obviously, you need systems to back this up, to give you that data that they require. And of course, you need to be diligence proof. So this is a big deal for investors. You have to have everything available at your fingertips. You have to be prepared for change. You have to be able to give your statistics really quickly. Data is a very, very big deal. So the investors want to understand what your compelling growth story is, what your top line growth is, if you're on a growth model, if you're on a profitability model, and of course, if you're on market share growth. So your answers need to be very credible. They need to be backed up by a credible plan, and also, of course, by data to give you all this information which they expect you to have at the tip of your fingers. And that's, of course, where Netsuite can help. We are a data system, a business platform, all in the cloud that enables you to run your business. So it covers all business functions from finance and enterprise resource planning, ERP, through to operations, PSA, professional services automation, SCM, supply chain management, CRM, customer relationship management. I told you there are lots of TLAs. And NetSuite is basically built on a single data source, so it takes all your data across all different divisions of your business and allows you to report and analyse your business in real time, end to end. And that's from anywhere. It's a cloud platform, it's cloud first and cloud only, and you can access it using any device, anywhere, anytime. It's always up to date, wherever you are, home, office, gym, wherever you are, you can get your business stats accurately and quickly at your fingertips. And of course it's global, so it can support you as a business in going global with multi-book, multi-currency, and also multi-country tax compliance. So it covers all your financials as well as helping you to run your business successfully. We've got an unrivaled track record in working with venture capital and private equity companies, and we can prepare you for anything. You can answer any question about any part of your business at any time with NetSuite. You can scale without limits. The product is used by scale-ups, by startups. It's also used by some really big organisations, so it's very, very scalable. It future-proofs you and means that you're ready to expand into any country, any market, B2B, B2C, adopt any new business model, add services, add consultancy, and experiment with new pricing or new routes to market. And of course, you're always diligence-proof and prepared for the next round of funding. So we've got an unrivaled track record in working with venture capital and private equity firms. They make up a third of our user base, and we've had multiple recently IPOs. Spotify, probably known to a few in the audience, Snap, Lyft, Box, all have IPO'd using NetSuite as their business management platform. We've got others upcoming, Deliveroo, a big UK business who deliver fast food to you. I don't know if it's here in Israel, but it's certainly global, likely to IPO. Also Slack, UiPath, and many, many more. In fact, 90% of tech IPOs today in the US use NetSuite. So it's a very solid platform for allowing your business to grow and scale and help with all the investor demands. So technology really matters. It is important when you're scaling your business, and if you're looking for funding, your systems and your processes need to back you up. NetSuite's not just for startups. It's a fantastic product for startups, but it also works well for companies who need to manage their business, and established companies obviously are growing and changing, and they use NetSuite to help them manage and monitor their growth. So we're here at the show. If you want to know more, please do come and see us. Yoni and the team are on the stand. We're here all day today, so come and have a chat. Thanks very much.